My name is Ismo Rajamäki and I'm 49 years old and coming from Finland, and I'm a truck driver. I have driven Renault trucks since 19s, and my first truck came from 1995, and I have driven Renault Magnum, and now we are continuing with T-Series. I find the contest from social media, and I was taking part of it. I was a winner and Renault take contact to me, and so it was the beginning. I wanted to be a pilot because I love motorsport and Renault trucks, so it's close to my heart. When I saw the vehicle first time, it was, of course, it was comfort and beautiful, and I love to drive it. It's so good. Yeah, I have a lot of memories here. Very beautiful country and very nice people and very good food, and of course beautiful trucks. So I have plenty of photos and videos here. Being an actor, it's amazing. I can't describe the words to say how lovely day I have been here. Thank you very much.